You can have perfect sandy loam soil and still struggle with your garden. So after decades of growing food, I've learned there's one missing piece that determines whether plants barely survive or truly thrive. That missing piece isn't fertilizer, it's life in the soil. And once you understand this, gardening gets dramatically easier and the plants get very productive. So the final step in improving poor soil is learning how to encourage and protect the microscopic life that lives beneath the soil's surface. To understand how to maintain living soil, it helps to know a little bit about soil biology. So the plants, they capture sunlight and convert it into carbohydrates and proteins. And some of these nutrients are released through the roots, where they attract bacteria and fungi. And these microbes feed on the carbohydrates, and then they release excess nutrients in the form that the plants can absorb. So bacteria and fungi, they are eaten by protozoa and nematodes that are in the soil, which are then eaten by insects. Earthworms consume bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and nematodes. And if you have a healthy population of earthworms, you have a thriving soil food web. So all this feeding, digesting, and decomposing creates a steady supply of nutrients for the plants. The soil food web is a delicate system. If even one group of organisms is removed, the entire cycle can be disrupted and stop functioning properly. So when you focus on supporting microbes in your sandy loam soil, gardening becomes so much easier. So a garden with a healthy soil food web will stimulate strong root development, allow plants to take up more nutrients, feed plants naturally, provide nutrients when they are needed, support beneficial microbes and insects that help control pests and diseases, and improve the soil structure so it holds more water and air. It helps the plants survive drought conditions. It unlocks minerals already present in the soil, improving flavor and nutrient density. So when the soil food web is balanced, gardening truly becomes easier. So healthy soil allows plants to access nutrients naturally, reducing stress. Less stressed plants are far less attractive to pests and diseases, creating a built-in system of prevention. So why haven't you heard more about microbes and the soil food web? Well, quite simply, there's no money in teaching gardeners how to feed their soil using materials that they already have. So the profit is in selling bags and bottles and boxes of synthetic inputs. So many salt-based non-organic fertilizers, they kill the soil microbes. So once the soil food web is damaged, plants can no longer access nutrients naturally and become dependent on repeated applications of fertilizer. So weak, stressed plants then require sprays for pests and disease, and this creates an endless cycle of buying more products. It's time to step away from the pouring on of potions and spraying chemicals and return the garden to the way nature intended it to grow. Growing with microbes, it's less expensive, builds healthier soil, and produces more nutrient-dense flavored foods. So the Abundance Garden e-course, you can learn how to care for the soil and keep the microbes alive and thriving. We follow a simple 4-step approach designed specifically for sandy loam soils. So the 4 steps to healthy living soil is 1, never apply chemical products to the garden or the plants. Number 2, feed the soil with organic compost and natural fertilizers to support the microbes. 3, do not disturb the soil very much because this protects the microbial life. And 4, mulch the garden to provide food, moisture, and comfortable habitat for your microbes. So by following these 4 steps, you can transform the way that you garden. This approach is easy to learn, simple to maintain, and creates a productive, enjoyable organic garden that works with nature instead of against it. So if you want a garden that feeds itself, resists pests, and produces better tasting food, it starts with living soil and the seeds that are meant to thrive in it. So you can find our open pollinated heirloom garden seeds at thelivingfarm.org. They're selected to perform in healthy, biologically active soils. And if you'd like a step-by-step guide on how to build the sandy loam soil, protect the soil food web, and grow reliable food with less work, go ahead and join us in the Abundance Garden e-course. The links are in the description below.